Hello, learners. Today we are going to see how to set up Python and VS Code. Open Chrome and type python.org. Click on Downloads and select the latest version given. Now let's download VS Code. Type VS Code download and click the first link. Select the system on whichever you are downloading. Here we are downloading on Windows. Now let's set up both the apps. Starting with Python. Select both the checkbox. Don't forget to select Add to Path. Now go to Customize Installation and check whether all the checkboxes are selected. Check Python Install for all users. Remove the path from any subfile and keep it in C drive independently. Now our Python is installed. Let's start downloading VS Code. Change the downloading address if you want. Select Open with Code. You can also select Create a desktop icon if you want. And we are done here. Now install the extensions we need for fluent coding of Python. We are all set now to code. Let's write a small code to check all the installation. We have successfully installed and set up the Python in VS Code. Wish you a happy coding!